Hello everyone and welcome to the round 1 in the 2019 season of TVJ's Junior Schools Challenge Quiz. Today we have St. Aloysius Primary from Kingston up against Brownstown Primary from St. Anne. I'm your host, Sheldon Reed, and the action begins right now. Before we begin, today's match is match number 14 in round 1 that was rescheduled from earlier in this season. So let's jump right in. In section 1, teams will be asked questions alternately, having 10 seconds to answer. Each correct answer is worth 1 point. Earlier we had the toss and St. Aloysius Primary won. They decided that Brownstown Primary should play first. So Brownstown Primary with 4 minutes on the clock. We begin with Bible knowledge. In which gospel is this popular verse? For God so loved the world that he gave his only begotten Son, that whosoever believes in him should not perish but have everlasting life.
Genesis.
Incorrect. John or St. John. St. Aloysius, Bible knowledge to you. In which gospel is this popular verse? Blessed are they that mourn, for they shall be comforted.
Matthew.
Correct. Science to Brownstown Primary. Is this statement true or false? Each star, planet, or moon has its own gravity.
False.
Incorrect. It is true. Science to you, St. Aloysius. Is this statement true or false? Without gravity, the moon would not stay in its place.
True.
Correct. Brownstown Primary, Jamaican Affairs. This is a visual question. Please look at the monitor and identify this person.
John Reed.
Incorrect. Member of Parliament, Michael Stewart. Jamaican Affairs to you, St. Aloysius Primary. This is also a visual question. Please look at the monitor and identify this person.
Pregnancy.
Incorrect. Member of Parliament, Dwayne Vaz. English language for Brownstown Primary. Change this sentence to the present continuous tense. The boy lives in the country.
The boy is living in the country.
Correct. English language to St. Aloysius Primary. Change the sentence to the future tense. I play the game in the morning.
I will be playing the game in the morning. I will be playing the game in the morning.
Judges? Incorrect. I will play the game in the morning. Television. This is a visual question. Please look at the monitor and identify this actress to Brownstown Primary.
Sky Jackson.
Incorrect. Ashley Tisdale. St. Aloysius Primary, television to you. This is also a visual question. Please look at the monitor and identify the actress.
Britney Spears.
Britney Spears.
Incorrect. Vanessa Hudgens. Brownstown, general knowledge. In what year was the United Nations established?
1902.
Incorrect. 1945. General knowledge to St. Aloysius. After which global conflict was the United Nations established?
World War II.
Correct. Brownstown, social studies. Blenheim, Green Island, and Sandy Bay are major towns in which Jamaican parish?
Clarendon.
Incorrect. Hanover, social studies to St. Aloysius. Alberttown, Clarkstown, and Duncans are major towns in which Jamaican parish?
St. Anne.
Incorrect. Trelawney, Brownstown Primary, music to you. To which specific family of instruments does the tuba belong?
Brass wind.
Correct. Music to St. Aloysius. To which family of instruments does the cymbal belong?
Percussion.
Correct. Mathematics for Brownstown Primary. What is 0.82 divided by 8, giving your answer to the nearest thousandth?
Oh, God.
The question passes to St. Aloysius Primary. Would you like to answer?
Yes, please.
.12.
0.12.
Incorrect. 0.103. Still with you for mathematics, St. Aloysius. What is 0.95 divided by 7? Giving your answer to the nearest thousandth. Question passes to Brownstown. Would you like to answer?
0.14. 1.4.
Incorrect. 0.136. And that is the bell, signifying the end of the first round. The scores currently are St. Aloysius Primary on 4 points and Brownstown Primary on 2 points. But before we go to the break, here's a friendly tip from NCB Insurance. And the tip is, create a study plan and allow ample time to prepare for your tests. There's nothing worse than cramming the night before an exam. Please stay with us. This match in round 1 of the 2019 season of TVJ's Junior Schools Challenge Quiz continues after these messages.